Okay, hello friends, and thank you for ordering my stuff. This is going to be the first video in the series, just to make sure that you know how to use the MT4 platform. In today's topic, we're going to talk about Market Watch. Okay, let me increase this. I love this software MT4. I've been using it for years. I think since 2007 or 2008. Okay, let's close this. Number one, let me close this too. Okay, how to get into it? One way is this. Okay, the other way is view Market Watch. Okay, now these are all the pairs, currency pairs your broker is allowing you to trade. This is the bid price, ask price, and this is the spread. Now this time over here is not your local time, is the local time for your broker. So right now I'm using an FXDD account, which is a demo account, but the server time for FXDD is this time over here, which is 2.08, so 2 o'clock in the morning. So that's out of the way. Number two, symbols, tick charts. You can select any currency and see the tick chart on it. Okay, let's go Euro Japan, tick chart. Okay, now you can right click and view the tick chart. Okay, you can right click and open a order window where you can buy or sell. Okay, next would be open a chart window. It opens a chart. Okay, or you can grab a currency pair and put it in there. So you have Australian dollar here now. Let's put Euro Chef. Okay, you can change the order of these. You can move them anywhere you want, up or down. Okay, next what we're going to do is I'm going to hide all of them. Okay, it doesn't hide all of them, but it would basically hide. I just clicked on one. Okay, sorry, hide all. There you go. It gives you a couple of majors in there. 5. You can add more to it. Symbols. Let's add USD Canada. Before I do that, Euro Japan is one of them that I trade a lot. I don't trade a lot. I trade it once in a while. Euro Japan, show. Euro Japan is added. The other one would be Great Britain Japan, British Pound Japan. That's done. Okay, and USD Canada. There you are. Show. Close. Okay. If you want, you can go back the same way into symbols and add whatever you want. Okay. Or you can right click and go show all. It will bring them all back. Now spread, you can hide. Bring the spread back. You can click on high low, the high of the time and the low of the day. Okay, what else? Time, what time it is, what time the price changed on that currency pair. So basically you can auto arrange them. You can hide the grid. And there's one more thing, I never use it. I even don't use this window that much. I have my charts open, but it shows you pop-up prices. So not too crazy about it, but if you guys can use it, it's there. Okay, so that's the basic. Let me change spread. I don't want low high, I don't want time, I don't want, and I want USD Great Britain up, Euro USD second, Chef USD Japan, Euro Chef I do not use, so I'm going to hide this one. Oh no, okay, I guess I have to keep it in there. Euro Japan, no, USD Canada is number 3. This is the order I trade them in. So so that's the main thing of Market Watch. Hopefully you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.